సో ఎలక్ట్రిక్ బైక్స్ మనం అందరం చూసే ఉంటాం, కానీ ప్రస్తుతానికి బీ లైవ్లో మనకి ఎలక్ట్రిక్ బైసైకిల్స్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి. సో బైసైకిల్స్ ఎలా ఉన్నాయి అండ్ వాటి మోటార్ ఏంటి, ఎంత నడుస్తాయో ఒకసారి మనం వాళ్ళని అడిగి తెలుసుకుందాం.
So this electric cycle is a very beautiful concept. It's very popular in Europe, and the good part is that it is for everyone. So you don't need to be physically fit, you don't need to be at your best of your health or something of that sort. So somebody who wants to probably go to the gym, somebody who stays very close to their office, you can probably pick an electric cycle. Now what this electric cycle does is basically three things. One, if you don't switch on the electric cycle, it's a normal cycle. So if you want to exert yourself, you can use it like a normal cycle. Moment you feel that you're getting tired, what you can go is put on the electric cycle, the power button, and start pedaling. Now every time you pedal, the effort is almost zero because the motor gets active. Because the motor is active, every push of yours from your pedal pushes you even further and makes your ride completely comfortable. If you are a little lazier than that, there is the third option, which is called the throttle, which works like an accelerator. Now with an electric cycle, the top speed is 25 kilometers per hour. So it is safe in terms of the speed, in terms of the braking. There are bikes like this one has got a disc brake in front. So all these features make this cycle a very beautiful proposition. So if you want to use it as a normal cycle, you can use it as a normal cycle. If you want to just zip around in the city using the motor, it works fine. From 25 kilometers to up to 50-60 kilometers, depending upon the bike and the motor, the range changes. And in this case, the battery is completely detachable. So the way you charge your laptop or your phone, you can just detach it, take it, whether you're staying on the first floor or the fifth floor, it doesn't matter. Take it home, charge it, and it is ready to go for another 20-30 kilometers. So the prices vary. So right from 28,000-29,000 it begins, and it goes up to almost 1.3 lakhs. So it's one bike made for everyone. So whether you're young, old, fit, not so fit, it can actually fit your requirement, and you can zip around the city without polluting it.